Hey guys, welcome back. Here we are with another part review. Today we're looking at the Synergy adjustable dual durometer bushing control arms. It's hard to say. Check it out. What makes it a dual durometer is these two durometer bushings right here. And these durometer bushings are awesome because they give you the ability to have maintenance free. You don't have to grease them, you don't have to worry about them, you put them in and forget about them. Just like the stock bushings are. But just like most aftermarket bushings, these things right here give you 30 degrees of misalignment. This inner durometer bushing is harder and the outer durometer bushing is softer. So that allows it 30 degrees of misalignment, which gives you more flex out there on the trail. These things are massive. I mean, this is your front lower, this is your front upper. Now, comes with the dual durometer on one side, and this goes to your factory bushing on top of your axle. These things are really, really quality products. Adjuster sleeve, so you can adjust it while it's on the vehicle. You don't have to take it off the vehicle, spin the head around, go through all the hassle, put the bolt back in, drop it down, torque it all to spec. None of that anymore. You adjust it right here, crank this nut down, and you're done. That's it. Adjustable on the vehicle. So check it out. The reason we're going with the adjustable control arms is when you go anything over 4 inches of lift, you start having serious driveline angle issues. What it is your driveline, the higher you go, the more serious of an angle your driveline ends up being at. And when you take and adjust that out at your axle, you bring that out and you change the camber and the pinion angle, and you also get a lot better, you don't have that vibration when you're riding down the road. When you're at a serious angle like this, you will get driveline vibration, and you could even end up with death wobble. It can wear out other components prematurely, your ball joints, everything takes a hit. So we went with the adjustable ones to try and bring that back to where the factory specs are, so we can have a lot smoother ride down the road. Upgrading Monstro, and we're going to be doing it with some Synergy coil springs, some 4.5 inch. We got these from Poly Performance. We talked to a really nice guy, Dave, over at Synergy. So when you're out there and you flex this thing out, this section right here uncoils, and it gives you a little bit more droop, so your coil spring doesn't come unseated, which is a horrible thing to have. I mean, your coil spring can just shoot right out, man. That's not what you want on an obstacle. So they've done this progressive setup here on the top, and that makes the ride better. It totally changes how, when you droop out, this thing just doesn't come unseated on you. This is the front, and these are the rears. You can see they're wound real tight at the top. Makes for a really good ride. All right, guys. So here we are. We're doing something a little bit different. I actually decided I wanted to bring you guys something that was tested and true. And for the last 2 years, we have been flexing and stomping the crud out of this Synergy system, and it is holding it up just perfectly. I'm not having any issues. These bushings, as you can see, this thing flexes like crazy. My spring, it's not unseated. Progressive springs are working just like they should. Everything is working in unison with this kit. Works perfect. The boys over at Synergy nailed it. This thing rides smooth. You can bomb down a desert road. You can flex through some of the nastiest rocks, and it holds it up perfectly. So we have really, really liked this kit. We want to thank Dave and everybody for being so hospitable over at Synergy, and the boys at Poly Performance. They've hooked us up with parts and helped us out anytime we've called and needed help or questions. They're there to help. So my recommendation, after 2 years of hard abuse on this kit, you can check out the videos on our YouTube channel. There's tons of them showing what we actually do in this thing. 2 years, Synergy gets an A+. Go get this kit. Put it on your Jeep. You won't regret it. I'm telling you, I absolutely love it.